when you have a Word document and it's all in portrait, but you've got a table or maybe a diagram or something that's just too wide for a portrait, you want it to be landscape. How can you create a document with portrait pages and then landscape? Maybe in the middle, at the end, whatever. Let's see how. So I have this document, and if I just zoom out a bit, you can see that it's several pages and it's all portrait. So, but what I've created is I've added in a table, and I know that if I start adding data to it, it's just going to be too wide, and I just want it on a landscape page. So what I do is I just put my mouse where I want the page break to be. And then I go up to Layout and into Breaks. Now I'm not going to use a page break, a normal top one. I've got two types of breaks. I've got these page breaks up here, so text wrapping, column and page. Then I have something called section breaks. Now section breaks, fantastic, but they can be a bit fiddly, so you have to know how to use them. And you have a continuous one, you have the next page, even and odd, okay? Section breaks are used when you want to change the format, like fundamental page format of either the page or the section or a part. For example, have you seen documents where it's you have a normal page, which is one column, and then it goes to two columns or three, and then it goes back to one. That middle part has used continuous section breaks to do that, usually. Okay? So this one, I'm just going to put a next page in here. And another thing I like to check is in Home, you've got this little backwards P. It shows non-printing characters. Non-printing characters, a lot of people don't like them because they don't understand how great they are. So when you show them, you can see what people have done to a document. And this one, you can see it says section break next page. And that means when I come down to this page here, then I can change the format. Now, if I wanted pages portrait after, and I already had them in, I'd put a next page break before and after where I want to add the landscape. So I'm going to go up to Layout, to Orientation, to Landscape. And now you can see the page above is portrait, page below now is landscape. So I can, there we go, that looks better. So I can then change this page. Yeah, and then it just means that everything looks so much better with this document. Yeah. And if I go to Home and turn off the Show All Characters, you can see what it's really going to look like. And then I can continue adding information to my table. Now, if you want more information about these section breaks, then please do put your questions down in the comments, and I will try and answer them or create new videos answering them. And if you like this video, please do click on that thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it. It does actually help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. And also, if you let me know in comments how you're actually going to use section breaks, if you found it useful, that'd be great. Take care and have a great day. Bye for now.